Hello everybody, my name is Mustafa Kamal. I am technical sales engineer in water pumps. Our company is called Expertise Water Pumps Company. Let's start with the first segment in our presentation, which is executive summary for the company. The first slide, water pump exists everywhere. Every building there is a water pumps. Everywhere you go there is a water pumps. But the problem that most of the people, even though engineers have limited knowledge about the pumps, how to select it, how to size it, how to make the best use of water pump according to your application. Our company will have a good solution for that. We will rely on a team of experts who have a great experience in this field. We will rely on showrooms open everywhere in the main cities in KSA. We will have a complete portfolio of pumps because of our vast knowledge of all importers and manufacturers of water pumps in KSA. Also, we will use and implement the best supply chain rules in order to keep our inventory minimum and also to forecast our demand. Also, which is very important, we will have very great after sales service through skilled technicians who work 24 hours. Here we will talk about the ownership. The company will be privately held LLC company owned by Mustafa Kamal, Muhammad Khattab, Muhammad Abdul Aziz. Each one of them share about 30% of the company. The last 10% will be among the board of advisors for the company. We expect our sales to be 100%, 100,000 Saudi Riyal per month for the first 6 months, and after that it will increase to 150, 100,000 Saudi Riyal per month. We will open one showroom in the first room. In the first year, we will open new 2 more in the second year and another 3 in the third year to have 6 more branches by the end of the year 2023. Here there is a graph showing our sales and revenue. Here for the first year, which we only have one showroom, we have about 1.5 million Saudi Riyal sales, net profit of about 200,000 Saudi Riyal sales. For the year 2022, we have 3 working branches, total sales of about 5 million, net profit of about half million. In the end of 2023, we will have 6 branches working, combined sales of more than 10 million Saudi Riyals and revenues of about 1.7 million Saudi Riyal. This was the end of section number 1. Let's go to the second section, which is market analysis. Water pumps market is huge. There is 3 segments for water pump. The first one is domestic and agriculture segment. The second segment is commercial building services like malls, like hospitals, universities, commercial buildings, admin buildings. These buildings have chilled water pumps, have firefighting pump, water supply pump, sewage or drainage pumps. Also, the third segment is governmental segment, which include municipals, which include the water treatment station, posting pumps to the cities, also desalination plants, military project. Every project there is a huge number of pumps are making combined of about 5 billion. We have 2 billion, 1 billion, 2 billion, combined 5 billion Saudi Riyal annual sales of pumps every year in KSA. The competition is not easy. There is companies working in the domestic segment like Al Wabil, Al Nakhil, Al Musa, and its sister companies. In the commercial building service, there is companies like KSB, like Luara, like Grandfos representatives. Also for the governmental segment, there is Abu Nayyan Holding, Ibara, KSB, Grandfos. Our company advantage will be great. We will rely on a network of branches all over KSA. We will have about 20 sales engineers to cover the commercial building and governmental project segment. This will be more than enough to make sure that at least 90% of projects are doing here in KSA known by our people and are working on. Here's SWOT analysis for our company. Our strengths, main strength is team of expertise, experience range from 7 to 13 years. We will implement the best supply chain rules to have minimal inventory and demand forecast. Also, technicians that offer after sales services. Weakness will be that we are a new name to the market. Clients may fear of after sales service, but we will do our best to remove this image. There is good opportunities, like the market is growing. New projects are done every week, every month, and every year there is major governmental projects are done, as well as private projects. There is some threats, like newcomers from Asia, like big investors investing in these segments. This was the end of the segment number 2. Let's go to the segment number 3, which is strategy and implementation summary. Here is the vision and mission statement. Expertise Water Pump Company have vision that we will offer the most advanced, reliable, complete pumping solution through a happy and informative shopping experience. Our mission is to to be a market leader in water pumps and water technologies, and to shift to manufacturing in order to offer a well-known brand of water pump in Middle East that can compete worldwide. Our marketing strategy will be relying heavily on social media ads. We will offer 20% discount on our opening ceremony for people who buy from our branches on the first week. We will have a project team that make site surveys, contact engineers, contact contractors, consultants, offer free calculation and help, giveaways, travel allowance for VIP customers. Our sales strategy is very important. We will invest heavily on our people. We will have at least 4 times training for our people per 1 year. We will teach them how to make good selling conditions, how to make good question, how to create best selling conditions, how disregard the bad feeling from being refused by the customer, how to energize yourself, how to find the right customers using the need cycle or recommendation from all customers. Also, how to master the first meeting presentation skills, how to handle client obligations, how to close the deal, as well as managing sales engineers' time, which is the most important thing. Research and development is very vital part of our company. We will always monitor the latest technological breakthroughs, which can be applied either to better serve our clients or to get a new products to make new smart solutions. Also, we will contact our pump manufacturer, giving feedback on pumps performance and how to improve. Also, there is a continuous contact with our technicians in order to see what is the problem, what is the drawbacks of operation in order to work on their removal. After 5 years from our starting, we will offer 50% discount deduction for our employees who have studies from another universities or anywhere. We will also offer free master degrees to our best performance employees. From year number 7, we will have a target that each year we should make at least 3 modifications, major modifications to our products, and we will at least have 1 patent per year. This was the end of the segment number 3. Let's go to the last segment, which is financial plan. Here you can see the break-even point analysis. From the point 865,000 Saudi Riyal is 0 profit. After that, we will have profit sales. So our break-even point, which we should pass, is 865,000 Saudi Riyal. Here, our cash flow, you can see, we will always have positive cash flow through the 12 months. At the end of the year, we will return back the 200 Saudi Riyal thousand, which is the start cash, to the owners in order without interest. We will just return back the 200,000 Saudi Riyal without any interest. The second slide showing our income statement. For the first year, we have gross profit of about half million, we will have earning of about 190,000 Saudi riyal, which we will keep in our company in order to invest on opening the new 2 branches the next year. So the year 2022, we will have 3 branches, gross profit 1.5 million. We will have about 600,000 profit. We will keep 361 and we will give 300,000 Saudi riyal back to the owners as a profit, dividends. At the end of the year 2023, we will have 6 working branches, combined sales of about 10.5 million. We will have gross profit of about 3 million. We will have total of net profit of about 1.5 million. We will have dividends for the owners of about 600,000, and we will keep about 962,000 Saudi riyal in the company in order to be invested in our development. Thank you very much. This is the projected balance sheet. Here you can find the assets for the first year is about 200,000. Also, the owner's equity is about, common stock is about 100,000. Total liabilities 200,000. For the year 2022, we have assets 426,000, which is combined cash in bank about 361 cash in bank. We have some assets, fixed assets, and also we have here in liabilities, we have to pay our wholesalers, accounts payable, to have common stock of about 100,000 Saudi riyal, and total liabilities 400,000 Saudi riyal. For the end of the year 2023, we will have about cash in bank about 1 million. We will have total assets of about 1,085,000 Saudi riyal. We will have accounts payable to our wholesalers who we got our pumps from on credit. We will pay them about 600 Saudi riyal. We will have common stock of about 500,000 and total liabilities of about 1 million Saudi riyal. Thank you very much. It was nice to meet you. Goodbye.